Okay, just got these in a couple days ago. Z06 fuel rail covers. I'm looking to add a little more red, touch of red under the hood. So I went with these. These are OEM replacement parts. Cost me about 140 bucks. Shipped right to the door. Shipping was real quick. From Chevypartsguys out of Oregon. I'll put their information in the description for anybody who's looking to replace their covers or add a little flair under the engine bay. Took about 4 days to get these. I was really impressed with the shipping. These are genuine GM OEM replacement parts. Everything is real proper, as you can see. Brand new. Can't wait to get these on. These just snap right on, so these should take. They say if these take more than 5 minutes, you're doing something wrong. So it's about 10 degrees out. Even though my car's in the garage, I'm not gonna mess with it. Probably for about another week. So yeah, Corvette, Chevypartsguys out of Oregon. Like I said, came packaged really nice. Bubble wrap just surrounded these things. So real impressed with that. I do want to give a shout out to Dave over at Yellow Vet 04. I'll put his link in the description. He has a C5 04 yellow, really nice. So go check his channel out. Support him. We're just a bunch of C5 guys out here, trying to enjoy these cars, try to, make videos for you guys. So be sure to check Dave out over there. It's gonna be it. It's just a little short video. Just wanted to show that I got these in these Z06 fuel rail covers. If you like the video, subscribe if you're first time visiting. I'll probably do a little install video on this. Like I said, this shouldn't take, these just snap right in, so not much of an install, but we'll probably get to these next week. Till then, Happy New Year to everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day.